Hi guys, I'm back with another video. I'm unboxing two fidget spinners that I got. I don't know why the boxes are so big. I think it might be a fidget cube in one of them, but look at which one would come today. So I got both of these just right now today. Watch my other video where I was unboxing my drone. I think I saw me accidentally hit myself in the face. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. Hard. It was so big. Video for 1 second, and I might be back with some scissors, and I might not because in my other video, I did not have any scissors, so I'm gonna go look for them, and I'll be back right now. I waited so long to say right now. So, I didn't find any scissors, but I found a knife, so let's see if this, hopefully get this open easier. This is really hard. Got that out one side open. Good, now I'm gonna do it inside of it. How do I even cut through it? What is this? Okay, I'm not cut through. I can rip. Actually, oh, I can't rip. Oh, actually, I can't. Yes! It's so beautiful. Look at this. This beautiful fidget spinner. Oh my god. Let me see. It smells weird. This looks beautiful. Look at it. Now let's see what's in the other box. I actually only like fidget spinners. So I don't know if this is gonna be a fidget spinner or a fidget cube. I have no idea. Oh, this, I think they ran out of this blue tape. Look, this is Amazon. Both Amazon. Look, both Amazon. This one is Amazon and this one. But they ran out of that blue tape, so this is duct tape. Like, seafood duct tape. What? This is harder. I think that's duct tape. I knew it was so hard to open a box. There. I say Amazon box is the hardest. Oh, ah, so hard. I'm just moving this open. I'm so tired. Look, I think this is another. Wait, I think this is a fidget cube. Yay! I got a fidget spinner and a fidget cube in this video. Yay! That's definitely. Yep, this is a fidget cube. See, fidget cube. It says on the back fidget. Wait, can you see that? Fidget cube. Yeah, right there. If you don't know what a fidget cube is, this is a fidget cube. Hey, heavier than I thought, but you can fidget with it. Wait, the video, one of these, you can put your 3 of these beef in, 2 of them don't. So 3 in a row, click, and these 2 don't. That's awesome. Okay. I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Bye!